Baby, just me spoil you. Get anything you like. Long as you alright, tell me alright. Me know you're mad, that's why me like you. To a woman that likes right. You see bump have the proper signs.
Hi guys. So I'm going on the road again today. Going back downtown to buy some stuff for tomorrow. Because you already know what tomorrow is. I already told y'all. So this is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this crop hoodie, has some stripes at the side. I'm wearing my fanny pack again, some short shorts and some Nike slides. So that's what I'm doing. I haven't been wearing no makeup since I've been here, so I'm just doing my natural face, and then I have my Fenty lip gloss in Diamond Milk. So that's what we're doing today. Yeah, right now I'm craving patty, so I have to eat. I have to get some patty. Is it me? That's what we doing today. And it is currently day 2/3. I always count the first day when I land as one day, because you know there's a little bit of hours left. So, but this is actually like 2 full days while I'm here. Babe, he's mad at me. So let's let it go. You find the key? My stepbrother is coming into town because I have some stuff to drop off for them. So that's what we're doing as well. And then I couldn't find my black glasses. I want to wear some black shades, but I can't find it. So I'm gonna wear my my butterfly shades. Just gonna put it on. Very breezy here. So good. I'm gonna give you something, and you're gonna deal with that, okay? Oh. I'm gonna give you something, and you're gonna deal with that, okay? Look at him in the slides. The slide doesn't look neat. Lime green, not lime green, mint green. They look neat. I'm kind of hot still. I thought it was gonna be colder out here. Kind of hot still. Anyways.
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin.
I want a slim fine woman with some porter for the crowd. Slim fine woman with some porter for the crowd. Slim fine woman with some porter for the crowd. I want a slim fine woman with some porter for the crowd. Do it, baby, stick it, baby, move it, baby, lick it, baby, suck up on that, kick it to that pussy, got it, hickey, baby, watch big, could have bought a Range Rover. Chain move, but I still walking on.
Got my candy. They were going to go. Right now I'm hot. I did wash it up and it's all just waiting for some bus to come to the outdoor. Tomorrow? I know where I want to go. I want to go to Hard Rock in the day, and then in the night, I already told you what's going to happen. And then, yeah, somewhere. I know where I want to take you. And then we have to take the pictures. And then Friday, you're going to look up TJ, we're going to try and get people. And then I want to go to Ochi. Or Rick's Cafe. But I told you I was coming here to... I told you I was coming here to make you happy. Didn't I say that? Didn't I say that? So I'm back home. Got my patty, cheese patty and cocoa bread. Yo, I love cheese patty. Yo, I love food. You can't tell. It's my love food. Why am I not doing this? I don't know. Must be hungry, but I got this and I got some box food. I'm gonna eat that later. But yo, I'm hot, yo. I underestimated the heat outside. I thought it was a little cool, so I'm gonna wear this long sleeve something. Yo, I'm hot. Dance, dance, broke your back. Broke for your back, broke for your back. Hey, broke for your back, broke for your back. Hey, hey. Jailer. Watch out. What you do? What you just do? Do it again. Do it again. Hey.
Can do this?
Yes, my dinner. Fried chicken with gravy and some vegetable. Thing nice and all, don't. Thing nice and all, don't. Thing nice and all, don't.
Come on, put your ball on me.
Alright, dinner time. We are eating our dinner.
Yeah, we are eating. Show them the food.
Let's show them the food.
Yeah.
Fried chicken and rice and peanut vegetable.
We are so hungry. And we are we are eating together. Ruda. You know what he just said? You know what he just said?
What you just said?
Wine up. Nasty.
Wine up is nasty.
Yes.
It's just dancing. You're winding up, doesn't it? Wine up.
Wine up me never. That is it.
What you say? Leave boxing a little bit. Who teach them something then? Here, let me feed you. Jordan. Not even there, can't stop me.
My mother cook, my look back, and my mother cook dumpling, and I see Burger King by the TV.
Just go come and swap. Do this. Do that, that's it.
Come on, eat before you get.
So you're going to dash out the rice.
It is nice. Yes, she's eating together.
It tastes nice.
Grandma, use my fork and taste. Yeah, she's eating together, and we are in the video.
What type of food they go now? I don't know if this is a $400 or $300, I don't know.
Yes, it is not me make it, is Auntie Lashley. So we can eat and she go send it to somebody. Don't. See me tell you.
It's a vlog.
Hey guys, we are eating. You like to try it? Look at. Let me show them the food.
It's not showing them. I don't know why it's so.
Stop drinking until I should juice.
See there? You see the food? You have to buy one of that. And we have vegetable, rice and peas and chicken. You can love that. Why do you buy it?
I don't remember the place downtown. Vlog. Guys, I'm eating again. My lovely sister, Shana K. She brought me Pizza Hut. And you guys know how I love pizza. Yeah. It's a personal pan pizza. Yo, how much time wanna see me eat today? Wanna see me eat? Me eat the box with me eat patty and cocoa bread. And this one ever comfort me up. Okay, anyways guys, yeah.